equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on repairing the circuit board of your Thermomix TM5. Today, we'll walk you through each step, ensuring you have the knowledge and confidence to tackle this task. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter for testing, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small components. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM5. Safety is paramount, so ensure it's completely disconnected from any power source. Next, remove the base cover by unscrewing the screws located at the bottom. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the base cover is off, you'll see the internal components. Take a moment to inspect the circuit board for any visible damage, such as burnt areas or loose connections. If you notice any issues, it's time to proceed with the repair. Using your multimeter, check for continuity in the circuit. This will help you identify any faulty components that may need replacing. If you find that the circuit board is beyond repair, don't worry. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can help you determine the best course of action. Now, let's clean the circuit board. Dampen a cloth with isopropyl alcohol and gently wipe the board to remove any dust or debris. Be careful not to apply too much pressure, as this could damage the delicate components. A clean board is essential for optimal performance. After cleaning, inspect the solder joints on the circuit board. If you see any cracks or weak points, you may need to resolder these connections. For this, you'll need a soldering iron and solder. Heat the soldering iron and carefully apply solder to the joints that require reinforcement. Once you've completed the soldering, it's time to reassemble your Thermomix. Place the circuit board back into its housing and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is tightly fitted to avoid any rattling or movement during operation. Before you plug it back in, double-check all connections and screws. If you're unsure about any step, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. Our service ensures that you don't have to worry about transport or calls. We handle everything for you. Finally, plug in your Thermomix TM5 and power it on. Test its functions to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Our team is here to assist you with any further problems you may face. By following these steps, you can successfully repair your Thermomix TM5 and extend its lifespan. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.